Welcome to English class, and today we are going to discussing the next poem, A Nation's Strength, page number 70. A Nation's Strength. This poem was written by Ralph Waldo Emerson. Okay, next I am reading here poem. Not gold, but only men can make a people great and strong. Men who for truth and honor's sake stand fast and suffer long. Brave men who work while others sleep, who dare while others fly. They build a nation's pillars deep and lift them into the sky. Here the poet explaining about a nation's strength, which is the nation strength. This is very simple poem and very easy poem, only 2 stanza. Okay, in first stanza when we reading, one question will be arise. What is that question? What makes nation strong? Okay, what makes nation strong? Not gold, but only men can make a people great and strong. Here what makes a nation strong ಅಂದರೆ ನೇಷನ್ನ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾವುದು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆ ನೇಷನ್ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಐತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ? ನೋ. The people say, here the poet explaining, not gold explains is a nation's strength. Okay, the man can make a people great and strong. And the nation strong ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ it should be only happens for the man. Men who for truth and honor's sake stand fast and suffer long. Here the poet explaining about people who sacrifice for their entire life to the country, make it too strong. Okay, the gold is a material, it is not make a nation strength. So man can only make a nation strength. For truth and honor's sake stand fast and suffer long. He was suffering from ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಇವ್ರು ಸಫರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಹಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಫಾರ್ ಅವರ್ ನೇಷನ್. ಬ್ರೇವ್ ಮೆನ್ ಹೂ ವರ್ಕ್ ವೈಲ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಲೀಪ್, who dare while others fly. They build a nation pillars deep and lift them into the sky. Brave men. Who is the brave man? Who work while others sleep and who dare for others fly. Okay, here the poet explaining about brave man. He was doing like this, but what is the brave man is doing while for working hard work, and he was facing many problems, and he was working while others sleeping. He was daring for while others flying. So what is the doing common man? There is no use there, he was not doing. So brave man, he was doing hard work for the others. They built, the brave man can build a nation's pillars deep. The poet explains he encourage of sense of hope in them, that the greatness of nation can be defined by them. ಅಂದರೆ brave men ಇಂದಾನೆ the nation can be defined by them and not function beyond their control. And he was supporting for others, and he was encouraging for others, and he was facing from others. He was doing a work for others. That type of peoples can make a strong nations, and that type of peoples are the nation's pillars and lift them into the sky. I hope you all of you understand this poem. This is very easiest poem. And next, filling the blanks with the suitable rhyming words, picking them from the poem. In this poem, the rhyming words are important. First one, we can observe first stanza, make, make, and third line ending sake, sake, make and sake. And rhyming words are nothing but those are appears in a poem in last. Okay, strong and long, deep sleep, sky, fly. These are all rhyming words, and only 2 questions are there. I will send CW for these 2 questions. I hope you all of you understood this poem. Thank you.